Hello, sir. How are you today?
Oh, hey, Lee.
I'm Lee Ayers with Lake Murray Power Squadron, a unit of the United States Power Squadrons. We're here this afternoon at Lake Murray Marina and Lake Murray Boat Club to do our annual inspection of their boats and their fleet to accomplish a vessel safety check.
All right, Lee, we keep an orange waterproof box on all our boats, and that contains all the required safety gear. We do keep registration here, which is required.
We're going to make sure they're properly registered, proper registration numbers displayed, current stickers and registration cards. Make sure they have a horn or whistle that works. I encourage everybody, even if they have an electric horn, to carry a whistle with them as well.
We keep a whistle on every boat to support the horns that we have. We also keep a daytime distress flag should be needed. We offer a small first aid kit for minor cuts and things like that. And of course a lake map is also provided.
Another legal requirement is to have working navigation lights. The reason for lights is not for you to see, they're for other vessels to see you. We'll also take a look to make sure that the electrical systems, such as the batteries, are properly stowed and restrained and covered up. Very good. We've got both terminals, the positive and the negative, covered. The most important one's the positive terminal so that we don't ground it out and cause electrical sparks that may start a fire. Other required items are a fire extinguisher.
On this particular boat, it's on just behind the driver's seat.
A fire extinguisher is required on all boats that have contained fuel tanks and boats that have cabins, and even on boats that it's not required, it's a very good idea to carry a fire extinguisher. Other required items, life jackets. Every person on board a boat is required to have a wearable life jacket of proper size and fit for that person. In addition to the wearable life jackets that are required for each person on board, for boats over 16 feet in length, a throwable PFD of cushion or ring is required for boats over 16 feet. Even more importantly is to have the throwable life jacket, the throwable device, immediately available to the person at the helm. Today we'll be inspecting both open boats with outboard engines and a boat with an inboard stern drive engine. Inboard engines require powered ventilation blowers to remove any flammable fumes from the engine compartment, and as well they require backfire flame arrestor on the engine. The vessel safety check program includes things beyond the legal requirements. There are other things that make for a safe and happy voyage. An anchor and line is a valuable piece of equipment to have on your boat. If your engine should fail and break down, you would want to have an anchor so that you could drop it and maintain position while help's on its way. You don't want to be floating free and drifting into the shore or submerged obstructions. John, we've completed the inspection and all legal requirements are met.
All right, Lee, thank you very much for coming out. We always are glad to have you out every spring to look at our boats. We work hard to keep everybody safe here.
You're welcome, John. We're glad to come do it for you each year, and we want to thank you for preparing safe vessels for your members to operate on Lake Murray for us.